Guys, come on, let's make some cheesy garlic rolls. So guys, let me just give you a breakdown of all the ingredients. We have flour, water, milk, sugar, egg, salt, oil, and yeast. Now guys, I'll be adding the yeast to the water, and I'm using warm water. You want to ensure that the water is warm and not hot, guys. Make sure the water isn't too hot because you don't want to kill your yeast. Now I'm just going to add all the dry ingredients in the mixer. And I'll list all the ingredients down in the description below. So using a hook, I'm just mixing the ingredients together, just making sure that they are well combined, well incorporated. Then I'll be adding all the liquid ingredients. Okay, so now that the dough has reached its desired consistency, I'm just removing that from the mixing bowl and adding it to the surface where I'll be shaping it. So guys, I'll be baking those in a cast iron. It's already greased, and you want to roll those in a ball the same way you practically make dinner rolls. It's practically dinner rolls, you just add stuff to it. Yeah. So guys, I'll be going over it with some garlic butter, and in that I have parsley. Oh, and parm. So you're just gonna brush that all over it. Wow, look at that. They're gonna taste so garlicky, buttery, and cheesy, guys. Trust me. Now guys, I'm just going to sprinkle some Parmesan over it and a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Just don't be stingy with this, guys, because it's cheesy garlic rolls, okay? And some bacon, good old bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. Now guys, I'm just going over it with some more Parmesan cheese. Oh my goodness, ugh. And I'm just going to be topping that off with some parsley just to give it some color. And guys, for the final step, I'm just going to be wrapping that with a film wrap just so that it can proof. And that's going to take about 30 to 45 minutes until it's doubled in size. So guys, now that our rolls have doubled in size, you're just gonna bake those in a preheated oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it guys, our rolls are out of the oven, and I went ahead and I brushed them with the same garlic butter I brushed them with previously. And yeah, you're just ready to dig in guys. Just serve it immediately because it is served warm, you know, while the cheese is still, you know, gooey and all that. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I did enjoy eating it. Like, it was so good guys. So good. But I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.